Well, this is day 12 of the big storm. We still don't have any power at all, but as you can see, things are definitely melting. And there's a man out there working very hard. He's been putting together the driveway, and he's cut more trees than he probably has in his whole life combined. But things are looking a lot better out here now. I think I might actually make it out of my driveway. It's looking like that. That's a lot better. He's been troubleshooting all the problems and figuring everything out. Let's go talk to him and see what he's got to say. Hi.
Hey.
What's your name?
I cut down that dead bird and cut all up the firewood. Now I guess the smartest thing to do is to put the bucket on, haul all the rounds over there and split them right outside the woodshed.
What a man. What you got going on here? Is it just the big ones you've taken out of the driveway?
No, this is a dead one right over here. I cut it down.
Oh, that's good.
And pulled it out.
That'll be more firewood, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, this is looking a lot different than it did when we moved in. Hey, there's the chair, the infamous chair. Here's the biggest brush pile I think I've ever seen in my whole entire life. That's a bear-sized brush pile.
You know, if we move quickly, we could get down that dead one you said is down there at the corner and drag it out of there.
I like how he says we. What exactly does that word mean?
That means somebody helps, put the rounds up so we can split. Actually, you can split them.
Oh.
Every time I split wood, I throw my back out.
Oh, I see what we've got going on here. It's like a team effort. All right. You're doing amazing work out here, Thomas.
Oh, thank you.
I'm very proud of you.